baby, man. I can finally get it fixed and back on the road, man. Motherfucking legend. Fucking legend, boy. 26 of them like this, man. We're gonna put y'all to the test, man. See what y'all got. Yeah. Big boy, man. I can't wait to have this bitch back on the road, man. Knocked my mirror off and shit while it was parked. Big boys. Oh no, I'm just trying to see what all I'm gonna need when I get it back. Saying probably some new shocks, brakes, rotors. Tires. All right, appreciate you. And then, I mean, it's a crazy question, but do you guys drop it back off, or do I gotta go and pick it up?
Nah, normally, sometimes we will, but normally they just come and pick it up.
Okay. The only thing I'm worried about is the tires. That's the only reason I said that.
Right? Yeah.
But we'll map it out.
Yeah.
I'll talk to Eric.
Just talk to Eric, and I'm sure he probably just charged you another call if he about it.
Okay.
But, yeah. If you're worried about it, then yeah, we'd probably drop it off.
Copy that.
Right,
and then, what do you think the anticipated turnaround time is? Damn.
I think we're looking at a week to two.
Okay. Okay.
But, yeah.
Copy.
He'll call you when it's done.
Copy that, boss.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Man, my baby gone, man. Baby gone.